Good morning po sa inyo lahat. This is October 16, 5:29 in the morning. Ayan, ano ba pinili natin? Sana mag-ano, kasi ako dismayado. Ay, nag-check ako ng timbang ngayon. Nakadismaya, hindi ko na kailangan i-video. 92.2. So parang wala yung 20 days na pinaghirapan ko. So, alam ko na yung gagawin ko ngayon. Double effort. Talagang strict tayo sa and discipline. And lagi tayong tubig kasi may mga creatine na tayo. So, tingnan nyo sa birthday ko. Babawi ako. Grabe, nag-iinit ako dahil nagagalit ako sa sarili ko. Dapat discipline lang talaga. So, ayun, hintayin nyo lang talaga sa sa birthday ko, and yung mga pinamiling sweets kahapon, sa kanila na lang yun. Okay na ako. So, yun, good luck. Good luck sa akin. Disiplina. Ayun, 42 minutes na tayo, no? 42 minutes. 6:15. Ayan. So, stop na tayo. Grabe, yung init na nadarama ko. Sinabi ko lang nakaraan, pero nabaliwala. Dahil sa pagkawalan disiplina ko, siguro nga, yun. So, stop na ako. Dito tayo sa tagiliran natin at syempre lower abs. Sa upper abs, masakit pa din. So, ayun. Grabe. Disiplina. Focus. Ayan. So, 6:25 yung itlog ko. Luto na. Nilaga ko kasi. So, ayun. Try natin. Let's go. Time lapse. Ayan. Nakaya natin yung 25. Woo! So, yun. Tingnan natin yung kinain natin. So, ay yung baon natin. Let's go. So, ito yung lunch natin. Ayan. Chicken with mixed vegetable at syempre meron tayo itlog. Dalawa lang. Yung isa, dun sa baby ko. So, ayun. Ayan ang lunch natin. Tapos maraming tubig. Yun, after work ng October 16. Ayan. 6:23. Medyo nalita ng pag-gym kasi may inasikas pa ako. Then, namalengke pa ako, and doon ako sa barangay magreklamo. Ay, magpapaliwanag. So, ano pinitin natin? Taka na mag-gym. Mawawala yung natin.
Then you're setting yourself up for success. I really think the biggest cheat code in life is just going after it and not being concerned of whether or not you fail at one specific task. Instead, understanding the big picture, what your long-term goal is, and knowing if you keep driving forward and never quit, in the end you will succeed.
Learn to say you to the world every once in a while. You have every right to. Just stop thinking, worrying, looking over your shoulder, wondering, doubting, fearing, hurting, hoping for some easy way out. Stop it and just do.
Remember this, is that people are time wasters, and the great majority of people have no goals, they have no priorities, they have no plans, they have no concern about becoming successful, and they think they
Nothing stays the same. The quote that I live by, early to bed, early to rise, makes a man young, wealthy, and wise.
Your haters will become your congratulators. And the more stones they throw at your ass, your mansion gonna get bigger.
You want to be that one motherfucker that every day, whether it's raining, snowing, sleeting, you lost every dime, your mom died, your dad died. You come and you bring the energy that it takes to at the highest level every day. And that's the person you want to be every day of your life.
The Stoic philosopher is the man who has liberated himself from
Ay, naku, butterfly. Ayun, bicep na tayo.
Analyzing, stop criticizing both yourself and others, and go fail at some shit. Go give someone a good job for sucking at something, because at least they're trying. Maybe we'll even give yourself permission to do the same. We find meaning in trying difficult things, not just in succeeding at them.
The second I got my head out of my ass, and I realized, man, you can achieve a lot of shit if you get off your ass and you start moving and you start motivating yourself.
In fact, we saw clearly that without the lessons that we had learned from our mistakes, we would have surely died in the desert. And when you look back on any achievement, you will find it was preceded by many difficulties and many lessons. They are the price that you pay for your success, and no success is possible without them.
People are walking around, brother, and they're setting themselves up for...
Your blood pushing, when you push beyond what's comfortable, it develops this determination inside you, this sense of will that you will then use everywhere else. I always say if you discipline yourself in one area of your life, you're going to be able to do even more in other areas.
I was wondering what your thoughts are on how to know that you're doing enough.
So first thing, you have the self-awareness. Like you see the thing for what it is. You're not in the matrix, right? You're seeing the code. I just tried to outrun and outrun.
So, last exercise ng bicep, then tapos na tayo. Hindi muna tayo magta-treadmill din kasi anong oras na. Ayun, and bukas na tayo mag-treadmill ng umaga. So, Wala. Astig. So, at least may nakita akong improvement, no? Yun nga lang yung tiyan ko, mahirap talaga, no? Ito, gumigising na, oh. Oh? May bonus lang tayo, 10. Bonus lang para sa sa bicep lang. So, try lang natin. Laki pa rin ng tiyan ko. Pero, malambot na siya. And medyo lumit ng konti kasi nasusuot ko na yung pantalon ko. At pala binidyo ko yun. Una pa lang kasi talagang ang hirap ipasok nung hook. But ngayon, madali na lang. Pero mataba pa rin. Pero, gaya nga nasabi, short step, long vision tayo. So, yun. Let's go. Grabe, ang dami ko napapanood na sabi, okay lang daw yan. Matasis ka sa... Which, okay naman, but medyo na-disappoint ako kasi parang yung 20 days, ayan. Pero dapat, yung may resulta na. Yung may resulta na yung katawan ko kung kailan na mag-cheat day. So, hindi naman masamang makinig dahil mas okay ngayon nakikinig para may mas matutunan pa tayo lalo, no? Good vibes. Sarap.